Hey everybody, welcome back to DeHaven Family Farm. Today's the day that we're going to put the split fire up against the RuggedMade. So for those of you who haven't seen the split fire before, I'll try and leave a link to a video I did about it so you can check out a little bit more about that splitter. And the RuggedMade I have used before, and I actually had to put it together. So I will try and leave a link up there for this one as well, in case you want a little bit of background about either one of these splitters. Because today's video is just about which one of these is faster, and also which one of these is easier for the operator. So you can see that the RuggedMade obviously has the hydraulic lift on it, and the table where the pieces come out. The split fire does not have that. But the split fire sits quite a bit lower to the ground, so you don't have to pick the piece up as far, and it also splits both directions, so it technically will split a little bit faster. The RuggedMade will have a 4-way wedge that you can put on there. It's on the ground now. This does not. So we're just going to pair these up, and I'll let you guys decide which one, if you had to pick one after you see both these run, which one would you choose to buy? Keeping in mind that I actually believe the RuggedMade is a little bit cheaper to purchase than the split fire, but the RuggedMade, you have to put it together. The split fire would come fully assembled. That's made in Canada. This came out of New England somewhere. I can't remember, the New Hampshire, Vermont, somewhere. But again, it was shipped to me in pieces, so I had to put it together. So, you know, you can keep that little bit of background information in mind when you make your decision. But I am curious, when the video's over, to leave in the comments down below which one of these you would choose. So it may end up being a tiny bit longer of a video because I am not going to edit out any of the splitting. You're going to see real time how long it takes me to split these two pieces. This was actually one piece that I split in half, and to be fair, the RuggedMade piece is a little bit bigger than the one for the split fire. It didn't quite split exactly in the middle, but they're fairly close. So let's get into this video and see who is gonna win. Well, there you have it. There's the contest. I did not check the video footage. I do think it was fairly close in terms of time. I made sure I split. There's 5 pieces in this pile, and there is 5 pieces in that pile. I think those may be a hair bigger than these pieces. Like I said, that chunk of wood was a little bigger than this one, but to keep it fair, I did 5 pieces. You probably noticed when I did this one, the very first piece I tried to first split I tried to make, I had to flip the piece over and split it again. That is one of the challenges with this particular splitter. The blade, really, for bigger pieces, that blade needs to be taller, and that one is. So, you know, if you're doing larger pieces, diameter pieces, I'm not sure now on the newer models if they offer something a little taller, but that is one of the challenges I ran into with this splitter. Was a lot of times you're having to flip the piece over and do it twice. So and of course you saw the pieces fall on the ground, so you have to go and pick them up. So there's a lot more back work that goes into this splitter. Still a great splitter. I would not tell anybody not to buy one. It's been a very quality splitter. There is advantages to it over that one, but overall, again, I'm going to let you guys be the judge. Leave in the comments down below, what do you think? Did the RuggedMade win or the Splitfire win? Leave it in the comments down below. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you had a good time. Hope it was fun for you. Maybe you learned something. Maybe you're going out to buy a splitter, and hopefully this will help you decide what kind of splitter you want. Please don't forget to leave your comments down below. Hit the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And on the way out, don't forget the subscribe button and the little bell icon for more cool, fun videos like this. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you on the next video.